Hey, do you want to stay well right now? I sure do. Boosting my immune system and taking care of my body with natural products is so important to me. And I just want to share that my favorite essential oils in the Premium Aroma Bundle really help you stay well in a preventative way for you and your family. Let me tell you why. So in this bundle, you get all my favorite oils, but two of them are Thieves and Lemon. These also come in a vitality version with Young Living, so that means that you can take them internally. But this is the same oil, just different labeling and directions on there. So same oil, that means you can take this internally, aromatically and topically. So one thing I do to stay well is make a wellness tea. I grab some warm water, put a little bit of honey in there, and then I add 1 drop Thieves and 2 drops lemon and stir it up and drink that preventatively, or if I'm feeling under the weather, several times a day. Another thing I do is diffuse. Diffusing is purifying the air and can also help be preventative. So add your Thieves in there, your lemon, even lavender, and that could really help. So let's say you get a little stuffy. I love that peppermint is in this this bundle, and peppermint definitely opens up your sinuses and helps you breathe. So you can diffuse that, or even just open up the bottle and take a deep breath, and woo, you'll get cleared out. A lot of this also comes in a vitality, so a lot of times I add a drop to my coffee in the morning, and it tastes delicious. It's like sweet without any added sugar or cream in there. All right, something else I do is make a roller with Thieves. And so I dilute it and we roll this on our feet and spine every night before bed or going to school and work. So remember, peppermint is also a vitality oil. So I love you making a breath spray. I got this little spray bottle and just put water in, like just a couple drops of peppermint. It's strong. And you can just spray in your mouth. You don't need a mint, no calories, and fresh breath awakens you, and the peppermint with wellness benefits. I also dilute it and put a roller top, or you can make a roller ball too, and use this for headaches, tummy aches, alertness, opening up my airways like on my chest when I work out. It energizes me, so much more. So you need peppermint, and I'm so excited it's in this bundle. Now, skin support, first aid support. These two are amazing, lavender and purification. Purification, you might not have heard, it's a blend of tea tree, citronella, myrtle, lavender, and a few more. But those are great for first aid things and itchiness or stuff like that. Now, purification is also does what it says. It purifies the air. So I love diffusing that because when anything gets stinky or I just need to have fresh air where I am, purification's my go-to. Such wonderful things. Now, did you know that your stress is linked to your immune system? So when you are stressed, you are lowering your response to stay healthy and well. So the cool thing in this bundle is a lot of stress and emotional support. So lavender I grab. My favorite though is Stress Away. So this is what I do with Stress Away. I put a drop, you could do this with any of these oils, on my hand. I rub it together, make a scent tent, and take a deep breath. It smells so good. I also just put it on like a perfume on my wrists. Now, the other oils in here that are great for your emotions, calming you down so that you stay well, is also Peace and Calming and Vanilla. So those are great to wear as a perfume, make a roller, put in your diffuser, just keep it in your pocket. One last tip for wellness. I love my Be Well oral spray. This is just water and a couple drops. Remember, these are all vitality oils as well. So I have 1 drop Thieves, 1 drop lemon, and 1 drop peppermint in there. And I spray this throughout the day like that in my mouth a few times. just to boost my wellness. All right, so those are just a few practical ways to stay well, be preventative with the Premium Aroma Bundle. There's so many other ways to use these, and I can go on forever, but I've already talked too much. So I hope you grab that and use these oils, and I'd love to help support your journey with wellness for you and your family.